Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's not just about staying fit physically, but also about boosting your brain power. That's right, we're talking about the incredible benefits of exercise for your brain. So, let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about how exercise enhances cognitive function. Studies show that our hippocampus, which is crucial for memory and learning, receives increased blood flow and oxygen when we engage in regular physical exercise. According to Murat Raiselman, a specialist in neurology, this boost leads to improved cognitive performance across all age groups. In fact, science agrees that older individuals engaging in exercise at specific intensities display better mental function compared to those who are inactive. Plus, exercise helps improve decision-making, response selection, and attention. Normal individuals and patients who suffer from psychiatric conditions such as attention deficit disorder, anxiety, and depression respond positively to cardiovascular exercise. We now see that after cardiovascular exercise, children with attention deficit hyperactivity disorder improve on various measures such as attentional resource allocation, which may be directly related to how they modulate dopamine release. Next, let's explore how exercise reduces cognitive decline. As we age, the hippocampus tends to shrink, which impacts cognitive function. However, exercise has been associated with a higher hippocampal volume and better relational memory. Exercise also lowers the risk of Alzheimer's disease and other forms of dementia. Research suggests that people who exercise regularly are up to 20% less likely to develop dementia compared to their sedentary counterparts. Physical activity also enhances memory and learning, promotes neurogenesis, and protects the nervous system from injury and neurodegenerative disease. Now, let's talk about improved memory. Exercise increases the concentration of BDNF, a protein that enhances synaptic plasticity, the ability of neurons to change the strength of their connections. This process is critical for memory formation and consolidation. A study found that older adults who regularly performed aerobic exercise experienced growth in the frontal hippocampus, reversing age-related loss and improving memory function. In clinical studies, exercise increases brain volume in areas implicated in executive processing, improves cognition in children with cerebral palsy, and enhances phonemic skill in school children with reading difficulty. Moving on to reduced stress. Stress can inhibit neurogenesis and lead to hippocampal shrinkage, causing difficulties with memory formation and retrieval. Exercise reduces cortisol and adrenaline levels while releasing norepinephrine and endorphins, which improve mood. Research shows that engaging in physical activity once a week can significantly reduce stress levels. The more you exercise, the lower your stress levels. Lastly, let's look at how exercise helps manage anxiety and depression. The release of endorphins during exercise improves mood and reduces anxiety and depression symptoms. A study found that after 12 weeks of supervised exercise, participants showed significant improvements in depressive and anxiety symptoms, with lasting effects. Now that we know the benefits of what exercise does to the brain, it is good that we know some of the most effective exercises for brain health. Here are some great options. I will put them in a group of 8. 1. Aerobic exercise. Running, cycling, swimming, and brisk walking increase heart rate and pump more oxygen to the brain. 2. Resistance training. Lifting weights or using resistance bands enhances neuroplasticity. 3. Yoga and Tai Chi. Combining physical movement with mindful breathing reduces stress and improves mental well-being. 4. Dance improves brain function through coordination, rhythm, and memory. 5. High-intensity interval training. Hit short bursts of intense exercise followed by rest improve cognitive function. 6. Walking boosts mood, enhances memory, and reduces stress. 7. Playing sports. Sports like tennis, soccer, or basketball improve brain health through physical activity and strategic thinking. 8. Mind-body exercises. Activities like martial arts or Pilates enhance cognitive function. So, those are the best forms of exercise to improve the brain health. That's it for today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, stay active and keep your brain healthy. Until next time.